Hi, this is Ryan Knox with the A&R GIS office. And this video is going to demonstrate some ways you can control display in ArcMap. The first way is by controlling a layer's scale range at which it displays. On screen we have the Vermont hydrography dataset that has a reference scale of 1 to 5,000. At this scale, performance of this layer can be sluggish. So if I go into the group layers properties, general tab, I can have the layer turn off beyond 100,000. Notice in my table of contents on the left, the checkbox is gray. That indicates that a scale range is set for that layer. I'm going to set the same scale range for my summits. Another way you can control display is by using a definition query. I want to make a map of just the White River subbasin. So if I go to my subbasins, I'm going to open the attribute table first. Notice how there's multiple features here. Now if I go to my layer properties, definition query, query builder, only features that satisfy this query will be returned. In this case, I'm just going to have a simple query, subbasin equals white. You can verify your expression, hit OK, OK. So now just the White River subbasin is returned. Notice when I open my attribute table now, I just have one feature. In the background, I have a hillshade. I want my White River subbasin polygon layer to have some transparency so you capture that topography. So if I go to the layer properties of my subbasin, display tab, I can set a transparency percentage. Another way I can control display is through the data frame properties. The operation is called clip to shape. It's on the data frame tab. If I check enable, I can specify my shape. In this case, I want it to be my subbasins layer. And I'll choose a border. I can hit OK. The clip to shape is a great way to not duplicate data on your local drive. What it's done is just created a map. You don't see the Vermont hydrography dataset, the summits, or any other layer in your table or in your data frame. It's a great cartographic tool. And that's the end of the video, demonstrating some ways you can control display in ArcMap.